Today we are working on this. Customer complaint, the car won't start. Looks like we have a no crank, no start situation. Wait, what? Is that a brand new starter? After doing few checks, we found that we don't have power to the starter solenoid.
Crank? Nothing, eh?
After checking the underhood fuse box, we located this 30 amp fuse, which is responsible for the starter solenoid. Looks like it's blown. With the brand new fuse, we have the vehicle running again. I got the old starter from the customer, tried to jump it with the booster pack, but it was not turning. So yeah, a short inside our starter solenoid blew our 30 amp fuse.